So I am about to expose myself. This is what it's actually like to have 3 foster kittens. Good morning everyone, welcome back. So today is Friday and I have quite the agenda today. It's a big one. I've been putting it off for so many days, like it just needs to be done. So I figured I would start a vlog and document this so that it makes me want to complete it. So I am about to expose myself, so you guys just prepare yourselves for what you are about to see. I'm not proud of this and we gotta fix this. So I decided to expose myself and just, you know, show you guys what I've been living in for the last few days. It's bad. I asked Madeline yesterday, I was like, is this the worst you've ever seen my room, like messy? And she's like, yes, I've never seen it more messy. And I was like, okay, that's what I thought. So I need to clean it, but I thought, you know, who doesn't love a good clean with me? I love them. So I figured, you know, I'm gonna document this before and after because it will be satisfying. Okay, so this is what we are dealing with. I did light a candle just for the ambiance, you know, just to present you this room. Honestly, guys, like this isn't even, like I'm not doing this for show. This is just literally what it looks like. I know. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is actually really embarrassing. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so that is what this is looking like. So this is me literally exposing myself, so like don't come for me, it's fine. But we're gonna get this done. I am very excited to get this all cleaned up. We're gonna do this together. Well, actually, I'm just gonna do it. You guys can sit back, relax, and enjoy. Get a snack, and just enjoy this good before and after. Okay, so most of this stuff, honestly, like this is all clean clothes. Actually no, this isn't clean. This is my laundry. But this is clean clothes in there, so I had to put that away. And then everything over here is everything that I need to put on Poshmark. Like, Poshmark is a chore to me. I gotta clean my room and then I will post stuff because I can't do it before. Also, my skin is like looking a lot better. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I mean, it's still like, there's still some red parts, but it's all basically like smooth, which is good because I have been using the products that I talked about in my last video, The Ordinary. I've been using 3 of the products, and once like a few more weeks go by, I will do like a full skincare routine of like how I cleared most of my acne. Like honestly, like I can tell the difference even though it doesn't maybe look like it, but once I put like makeup on, it like is so smooth and like it looks a lot better. So I'm really happy about that. And yeah, I'm just going to set up the camera and we're gonna get to cleaning. I just basically, I didn't get ready or anything for the day. I don't know, I'm just like so anxious to like get this done that I don't even want to like get ready first. So I'm just gonna power through and we will see how this goes. Also, I'm going to queue up Lainey's new album because their album just dropped last night and I personally really like it. I know some people are like, that I know aren't like super big fans of it, but I don't know. Anything that they make, I am going to be a fan of, so I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna start playing that and get to work.
Something to buy, yeah. Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life.
So whenever I clean my room, I always like to clear off my bed first. It's like the first step so that I can put, you know, like stuff on top of my bed to sort things. So I feel like that's always a good place to start. So I'm just gonna wash my sheets and my bedding. Next step is I think I'm gonna put away all my laundry, like all my clean out laundry is hanging up right there as well as in there. So I'm gonna tackle that next. It honestly already looks better with my bed cleared off, so that is good. Also, I need to put other stuff up here. So I actually experienced my first ever earthquake. So at night, I like took all the stuff off of it. Like my plant is right here. I took my plant off. Actually, I took the whole shelf off, but I just haven't put it back together yet. So I need to do that.
Catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go.
Okay, so I have to take a quick break really quick and run to Target because I realized that I was out of detergent and I have to do another load of laundry. So I did take a shower, got ready, and I just threw on some clothes to run to the store. So I'm just wearing this Harley Davidson top that I literally wear all the time. It's like one of my go-to shirts when I don't know what to wear and when I'm just like gonna run to the store. I'm just wearing some bike shorts and then my Nikes. And that is the fit really quick. I am gonna run to the store fast. I also have some returns I'm gonna make, and then we'll come back and finish up the staying room because we need to finish it. So yeah, hopefully by then my sheets will be all dried so we can put those on. So yeah, I'm gonna run to the store real quick. Okay, so I just got done at Target and I'm gonna show you guys a little haul because of course I couldn't just go in for the detergent. I had to buy more. I needed some more coffee, so I got this Intelligentsia coffee. I like this brand and it was on sale, so I got that. I also got some more Banza pasta. I feel like I always talk about this, but I've never tried the spaghetti kind, and this was also on sale, so I had to cop that. And then I also needed a new moisturizer, and I've heard so many people talk about CeraVe, so I figured I would give that a try, so I got that. And then of course I got my detergent, and I also, okay, the last thing I got that I was already snacking on were these Smart Sweets, and I am a huge fan of this brand. I really like all of the Smart Sweets because it has like very low sugar and it tastes really good in my opinion, and I had never tried the watermelon one, so I bought this and they're actually really good. They don't really taste like Sour Patch Kids watermelons, but they're still very tasty.
Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go.
Complete the sentence, but it's my first date.
Alexa, pause. This is what it's actually like to have 3 foster kittens. Especially when it's around their dinner time. They go crazy and they love climbing up my headboard. Also, I'm like so hot, but I'm almost done. This is looking so much better. It's probably like 50% done. We got another load in the laundry, and Madeline and I are actually gonna go take some pictures because while I was cleaning I was trying on outfits because you know you just find stuff and you just like try it on. So I found an outfit that I want to take a picture in, so she's gonna help me out with that, and then I think we're gonna go to this vegan burger place that we really like, so we're gonna go there. I don't know if I mentioned today is Friday, so it's kind of like Friday vibes happening. We wanna, you know, get out and go do something, but yeah, I'm gonna just finish this up and hopefully I'll stop sweating soon. So yeah, so far so good. We're almost there. look good?
Whoa, did someone clean in here?
I did.
Whoa, it smells so good.
Thank you. Now I'm just cleaning my bathroom.
Wow.
I know it's taking a long time. Long time.
I'm impressed.
Thanks. Thanks. How is it? Wait, what kind is it? Pumpkin?
It's pumpkin.
It tastes like
It's
a pumpkin
so
pie
good.
in liquid form, and it's vegan.
I love it. And I
The
would
reviews are in.
recommend.
This is my burger. It's an Impossible Burger, and I got a double because the last few times I've gotten just a single, and it's not as big as I'd like. So I got this. It looks delicious. And then we got the tots. Tots are in here. Let me just take a peek. There they are. They're so good. And we are going to eat in our car because there's nowhere else to eat. All the spots are taken. Okay, bye. So after I was done cleaning my room, I totally spaced and I didn't actually film the after portion. And unfortunately now it is back to being slightly messy. So I decided, I need to give you guys the content that you deserve. You want a nice after shot. So I just pulled some footage from my bedroom makeover and we're just going to pretend that this is what my bedroom is currently looking like. But stay tuned for my next video because it will kind of explain where my head is at and why I'm such a mess. Okay, that is all. I love you guys. Bye.
In the backseat, what's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean.